In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up variables Pandadoc. Variables in Pandadoc are a simple way to reuse the same piece of information in multiple places without typing it again. When you set up a variable and place it in your template, you can enter the value one time, and Pandadoc will automatically fill it everywhere that variable appears. This is especially helpful for details like a client name, a company name, a date, or a project title because it reduces errors and keeps your document consistent. To get started, open the template where you want to use variables. Once your template is open, look to the right sidebar and click on Variables. This opens the Variables panel where you can create and manage the fields that will populate your document. Next, click the plus icon to add a new variable. You will be prompted to name your variable. Choose a name that is clear and easy to recognize later. It is a good habit to use consistent naming so you can quickly find the right variable when your template grows. After you create it, you will see it listed in the Variables sidebar. Now find the copy icon next to your new variable and click it. This copies the variable placeholder, which is the special text Pandadoc uses to know where that value should appear. This placeholder is what you will paste into your document. Go back into your document text and paste the copied variable exactly where you want the value to show up. Place it in a sentence, a heading, or anywhere the information should appear. Be careful not to edit the pasted placeholder text, since changing it can prevent the variable from working correctly. Finally, return to the Variables sidebar and type the value for that variable. As soon as you enter the value, Pandadoc will auto-populate the document text wherever you pasted that variable placeholder. If you use the same variable in multiple locations, you will see all of them update at once, which makes final edits much faster. That covers everything you need to know.